Hello, welcome to the Faceless Chef UK. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create a delicious carbonara, as authentic as I can. Yes, I understand traditionalists may pick this recipe apart, but I enjoyed it, as I am sure you will. Apologies for the absence, unfortunately this is not my full-time career, and due to this, children, health and family, I took an extended break over the Christmas period. First, we start by placing 100 grams of spaghetti in salted or boiling water and cook until al dente, soft but firm enough to the bite. Note, once it's cooked, we do not get rid of this pasta water. This delicious salty starchy mix is key to this recipe, and to be fair, any other pasta recipe in the future for that matter. We really enjoy pasta dishes in this family, and often the best pasta dishes are those with few ingredients. Quick and simple sometimes is the best. If you like Italian style food, feel free to check out the arancini video I did towards the end of last year, and hopefully I shall be able to link that just above the screen. Whilst the pasta's cooking, I'm going to mix in a bowl 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks. I'm going to thoroughly mix them until thoroughly combined before adding 150 grams of pecorino cheese. Once we mix this cheese in, the mixture should be quite thick, and alongside our pasta water, this is a mixture that will form the base of our sauce for the pasta. For some reason, the guanciale prep did not film, so this is around 150 grams of guanciale, which I will slice thinly before halving each strip into 2 again. Fry this in a pan, gently and over medium heat until the guanciale is brown and crisp, leaving the oil in the pan, but we're careful to ensure we remove half guanciale for later. If you don't have guanciale, you can always use, and I say this in order of preference, pancetta, lardons, or quite simply, bacon. We are going to leave the oil in the pan, however, because this will help with our sauce mixture later on. So once the guanciale is cooked, we're going to add our cut pasta, ensuring to include some of that delicious starchy water. And we're going to continually stir this. You will notice when the food begins to emulsify as it takes on a slightly thicker consistency and will begin to stick to the pasta itself. At this point, we are going to remove it from the heat completely. Once we've continuously stirred this mixture, we'll then, as I said before, remove it from the heat completely, and we will top it with our egg and pecorino mixture. Not before seasoning very well with black pepper. As you can see, I've fully got the heat turned off now. It's important to do this because if we don't do this, the egg will actually curdle and cook as you stir it through the mixture, so we definitely want that heat off. So here is our egg and cheese mixture. It does look quite thick at this stage, but that's fine. We're going to continuously stir this through. And this is one of those moments where you decide whether or not you want a quite saucy version or just something that barely coats the pasta. If you want it quite saucy like my missus, pardon the pun, you will add a little bit more pasta water and continuously stir whilst that mixture emulsifies and firmly coats the pasta. You have to excuse the big lumps of pecorino in there, but it's I found it very awkward actually when grating it. It did stick and break apart a little bit, but nonetheless it was all good. So once we've done this, we're actually going to coat again with black pepper, give it another season of black pepper before adding the mixture into a mixing bowl. And in that mixing bowl, we're actually just going to, for about a minute, toss it over and over, flipping the mixture, making sure that not only that sauce is coating the pasta, but also that it is well and truly emulsified. So we're then going to place this in a serving bowl. Look at that, absolutely delicious. Doing the voice for this, I'm thinking I could just murder another bowl of that, but I've run out of guanciale. I may have to put some more in order, or refer to my earlier points and just make some pancetta later on in the week. So once in the bowl, we're going to take half a guanciale, not half guanciale, but the guanciale half that we reserved earlier, and we're actually going to place that on top of the pasta. And again, after that, we will season with black pepper, and finally with some more of that grated pecorino. Just taking care to tidy up and clean our bowl. There's our black pepper. And here comes the remainder of guanciale. And then the grated pecorino. Some people do prefer a little bit of grated parmesan at this point, but I had some left over, so I thought I might as well use this. Thank you very much for watching yet again. It's good to be back. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save, or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there and hit that subscribe and notification button. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, grab a friend, get them to subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button to see more weekly videos every week. If you would like to see previous videos, I have linked 2 on the screen now. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next episode. Goodbye.